So today we're going to learn how to look up a book for a project on a library website. Just because of circumstances, we're going to say our theoretical situation is that we're writing a biography on Harriet Tubman, and we're going to use the BYU Library's website. So the first thing we need to do is type it into the search bar up here, their library address, and it's hbll.byu.edu. And that'll take you to the Harold B. Lee Library's website. So we'll let it think about it for a second. And here we see that they have a search bar of their own, and this is how you can search the library's database of their books. So what we're going to do is we're going to type Harriet, 2 R's, Tubman into the search bar. And we're going to click this little magnifying glass here to search. And it pulled up a list of books and articles for us to look through. But since we're writing our biography, we want books. So we're going to come up here to Resource Type on Filter. Let's see, and here's the books. We're going to select that checkbox there, and it'll automatically filter out anything about Harriet Tubman that pulled up in that search that is not a book. So as you can see, we have several pages of items to look through. We'll just click this first book that came up here. And so just click on the title here and it'll pull up. And here it is. It's available for checkout. You can see right here in this little area. And we'll click Request Item. Submit request, and there we go, it's been requested for us. And as you can see here by the little notification, we'll get an email when it's ready to be picked up. And that is how you select how you borrow a book from the HBLL website.